Overview of the Common Agreement. TEFCA consists of two components, the Technical Exchange Framework and the Common Agreement. Together, they provide the foundation for achieving standardized, secure, and interoperable health information exchange across the United States. While the Technical Exchange Framework focuses on the technical requirements for data exchange, such as protocols, standards, and formats, the Common Agreement establishes the governance and operational rules that ensure consistency, trust, and compliance among the participants. Coordination and the Common Agreement. The Common Agreement, managed by the Sequoia Project as the recognized coordinating entity, defines the policies and procedures governing the interactions of entities participating in TEFCA. This includes qualified health information networks, QINs they'll call them, participants and sub-participants. The QINs are central to the TEFCA framework, serving as the hubs that connect various health information networks to facilitate secure and standardized data sharing. These QINs ensure that organizations can share health information seamlessly, enabling coordinated care and compliance with regulations like the HIPAA security rule. Health information exchange and the QINs. One example of a health information network aligning with TEFCA is the eHealth Exchange. This is a long-standing interoperability initiative under the Sequoia Project. As one of the largest health information networks in the United States, the eHealth Exchange connects federal agencies, private healthcare organizations, and public health entities to enable secure data sharing. Recently, the eHealth Exchange announced its intent to transition into a QIN, aligning its operations with TEFCA's governance and technical requirements. This move underscores the evolution of existing HINs, health information networks, into QINs as TEFCA operationalizes a nationwide interoperability framework. Looking back on Module 5, where the class explored HIPAA privacy and the future of RIOs, Regional Health Information Organizations, I think the strategic direction of the eHealth Exchange offers insight into a path for legacy RIOs. Next, roles and responsibilities of the regional coordinating entities, QINs, and participants. With initiatives like the eHealth Exchange exemplifying the transition to TEFCA's framework, it's essential to understand the broader roles and relationships that enables its success. The collaboration between RCEs, regional coordinating entities, QINs, and participants forms the backbone of TEFCA's governance and operational model. The RCE, overseen by the Sequoia Project, provides governance and oversight and technical guidance to ensure QINs comply with the Common Agreement and foundational regulations like the HIPAA security rule. The QINs act as intermediaries, enabling the secure and standardized exchange of health information between participants, participating entities, and supporting compliance with privacy, security, and interoperability requirements. By serving as the operational hub, QINs facilitate connections between health information networks, promoting seamless data sharing. So let's look at the Common Agreement as a real-world example. The impact of TEFCA's framework becomes particularly evident when considering its application in a real-world healthcare ecosystems. I live in Raleigh, North Carolina, so I decided on Duke. So for example, the Duke Health network is an academic health system. It relies on its EPIC electronic medical record system to achieve interoperability within a TEFCA-aligned framework. EPIC's tools such as Care Everywhere enable Duke Health to securely share patient data with external providers, payers, and public health agencies. This supports compliant and efficient data sharing while aligning with the organizational requirements of the HIPAA security rule. Now, similarly, the Durham VA Medical Center, a general medical center and surgical tertiary care facility associated with Duke University School of Medicine, exemplifies how TEFCA can enhance care coordination across institutions. The Durham VA's integration with local and national health information networks ensures that the veterans receive consistent and high-quality care, leveraging the interoperability principles outlined in the common agreement. So together, these institutions illustrate TEFCA's potential to bridge gaps in care delivery, improving outcomes for diverse patient populations.